Alright, follow me, boys.
The Des Plaines River flooded, and we got like 8 inches of rain in 2 days. Crazy. If you look over here, up and over this fence, you see that white thing? The white thing right there? Yeah. That's a bird skull. So we're gonna go get it with this. First plan, I'm gonna try to hook it from above. What is
Right one.
nope. Plan B, we're going under, boys.
See you. We got it. That's amazing. That is so cool.
Okay, now I should be able to hook it.
Last thing. Got it. You just need to screw it. Okay, it's closer. Okay. Should be down there.
Stupid stick. Gate. Look it, there it is, guys.
Put it in your hands.
I gotta go grab a bag real quick. Okay? You guys can sit and admire and look how gross it is and predict who or what killed it or ate it.
Put in the comments below what you think ate it or killed it. This thing is weird. Look it back there from the flood. Look it. This is our next door to us. So sloppy and muddy. Look at that.
Okay, I'm back. I got a bag. Pick it up. Put it in. Zip it up.
Now we got a bird skull.
Put it in here. So yeah. Like the video if it was cool. Subscribe if it was gross, cause I really think it was both.
Yep.
Like touching it, lit.
Yep, I touched it.
Seeing it, holy good. Okay, so guys, later I'm gonna do some gaming vids. But it plays
Minecraft.
Roblox, Fortnite.
Yep.
Share if you like Fortnite. Like if you you can either say if it's gross or cool or which one you like better. Subscribe for Minecraft, like for Roblox, and share for Fortnite, okay? See you guys later. Bye.